Hello everybody, it is 12 a.m. and we are up packing up the rest of this little bit of stuff.
We are tired.
We're tired. We didn't get no sleep today like we was supposed to. So now we got all the suitcases in the car. Right now we're just grabbing the little bit of stuff that's laying around. And we get ready to load up the car and make this long drive. It's gonna be about 15 hours to drive to Orlando. DJ, all that stuff on the table, I need all that. And get that green bag right there too. Put it over here. So yeah, I'm just giving you guys a quick update. But we are on our way out the door. Let's do this, right?
Yes, I'm just so ready to meet Aiden and go to Florida.
You ready to go? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. My sister and her kids are going. We are going to meet them there. Just put it right here. Put it right here. Should we get a bigger bag? Another bag to put some of this stuff in. This can go in here. Yeah, so we are meeting my sister there too. They're going to, yes, I told you everything that was on the table, baby. They're going to meet us in our Airbnb on Sunday. So,
That sounds good.
see y'all in a little bit. All right, guys. So, we are in, where are we? I think we're in Atlanta, Georgia. I think. Or Macon, Georgia or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, we stopped here at this gas station. The kids had to go in there and use the bathroom. Want to go swimming? How you feel about the drive?
Terrible, my butt hurts.
Your butt hurts? My eye is peeling so bad. It's driving me crazy.
Mommy, we should have got him a little toy.
We have about, how many? We got 5.5 hours to go. Everybody has used the bathroom, right? Everybody.
What
Y'all
about the
good?
lizard?
I gotta go get this checked out because this is so bad. Anyway,
Hey guys.
we are gonna jump back on the road after this. The next time you guys hear from me, we will be in Orlando. Okay.
Wait, would you let them know?
So we made it to Orlando. We are at the Ramada, just something simple because we check into our Airbnb tomorrow. Can't show the kids right now because they just got out of, well, 2 of them just got out of the tub. So we are about to basically just chill. I would give y'all a little room tour, but I mean, it's just 2 beds and a couch. But please believe when we check into our Airbnb, I will give you guys a room tour. But like I said, we just got here, so I just got out the shower. I got on this little romper set that I had got from Shein. I just threw on something. I don't know if we're going to go anywhere as of yet. Right now, we're just pretty much relaxing and seeing how we feel later on. So if we decide to do something, of course I will bring you guys along, but if we don't, then I will probably get back with you guys tomorrow. But either way, yeah. Like I'm starting to get little hairs in right here, and I want to You want to clean it up? Yeah. You want me to do it today? Clean my face. Okay. You want me to do it today, or you want to get it done at the place? Now they put hot wax on it and pull it off. Okay. I don't know if you want that.
Well,
okay.
yeah, I want them to get it done.
To make it okay,
Yeah.
to line it up. Okay. Y'all, my baby wants her eyebrows waxed finally. Okay, y'all. So we are heading to breakfast.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. We've never eaten, what you call it? Is it continental breakfast, babe? No.
Continental don't have everything.
Okay. We've never eaten breakfast at the hotel.
Yeah, the Continentals when they just had like
Which lotion from you?
Then they have like some pancakes, like you can make your own waffles or something. Like it's very,
Oh.
very lacking.
So
Good shit. I'm ready to go down there.
I know I'm ready to go down and see what they got. We've never eaten breakfast at the hotel before. Okay, so you gotta take the batter, wherever the hell the batter is. Okay, so you take the batter, put it in a cup. Okay, put the cup here, baby. You just can get some eggs and sausage and make this simple. Jesus Christ. I don't know why you don't want a simple breakfast. Like what? Oh shit. Oh, we did it. Okay, so it looks like they just have waffles, pancakes, sausage, eggs, toast, and cereal. Okay, what you say, babe? I just want eggs and sausage. And do they have fruit? No fruit? Okay. They also have oatmeal up there, but I'm not an oatmeal person, so I won't be eating it. All right, children. Let's get this to Adriel. And this is mine. I picked up a yogurt. Here. That's mine. Did y'all get spoons and stuff? Yeah. Thank you, baby.
I got me a fork.
Say hey, Bucket. All right, you gotta open your milk. Yeah, no, because he killed it. Ate all your sausage. Was it good? Yeah.
She didn't know what to do with the pancake.
I didn't know what to do. I ain't never, because we never ate breakfast at a hotel before here.
Actually, it's so good. I like the sausage.
It's good food? Yeah.
What did you keep it on one side for how long?
Just for like a minute or till when I thought it was ready, and then I just flipped it over. I didn't even wait for the beat. Yeah.
I'm gonna make me one too.
You gonna make you one too?
Yeah.
I want one too, baby.
I want to make you one.
I just made you one. That's yours right there. Huh? You not making one just cause, Pumpkin. Bookie, open this for me, and I need a spoon to go with that. Anyway, I'm finna get to eating. All I got was eggs, sausage, orange juice, and yogurt. So I'm about to down this real quick, and I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, guys. So we are in the nail shop now. My sister did make it here. They went to grab something to eat. So I'm about to get these dogs done. And after that, we're probably gonna go to the room to see if we can check in early. Y'all like my shades? Oh, they too big. My sister bought them for me. I figured I'd switch and wear these instead. But yeah, so we about to get our feet done and then whatever goes. No, why would she leave us? Let me see your nails. You like your nails?
Yeah, I got some blue.
She got her nails blue. That pretty.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all, so I'm done. This is what it looks like. You know, I got hair on my toes, but don't worry. I'm gonna shave that off as soon as I get to the room. Johnny, before you and Aiden do anything, y'all know how I work. Okay, y'all. I want stuff sorted out. I'm just gonna give y'all a quick little show of the rooms and stuff and everything. So here goes. I had to put my hair up because it is hot, honey. Okay, so this is the first bedroom. Very simple. It's the master bedroom. And got the window, big bed. Got this closet here. Me and Babe have already claimed this room. This is the bathroom, of course. And toilet and shower. All right, so now I'm about to go out to the kitchen area. Let's see what's in here. And there's nothing. All right, so this is the kitchen, fridge, and that's the dining area over there. All right, family. This is the living room area and the TV. That's the front door. Okay, so this is the garage, which they didn't want us parking in, which is fine. Here's this little area here. All right, so now we're gonna make it upstairs. All right, come on down, son. Son. All right, there's the Mickey pics. Watch out, baby. Oh, you can come down. Sorry. Watch out, Funky. Watch out. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs. All right, and this is the first bedroom we come to. This is my sister and her boyfriend's room. So yeah, nice big bed. Here is their bathroom. Everybody has their own bathroom. And here's their shower. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go back out and y'all gonna hear a bunch of kids playing and stuff. This is the hallway. This little seating area here. Okay, that's just the air conditioner, the little unit or whatever. All right, so this is the hallway bathroom. I believe there's 4 or 5 bathrooms. I can't remember, but this is one bathroom, hallway bathroom. All right, so I'm gonna go on to the next room. This is the girls' room. Princess theme room. Okay. And they do not have a TV up here. Oh wow, look at the cute little seat right there. That's cute. All right, so now, and now the boys' room. They have a Spider-Man room.
Spidey's for the Spideys.
Everything Spider-Man. Sir, you are not going to the pool. Nah, you're not swimming in that. You have to put some trunks on. You know that.
Bruh, that's strange.
Bruh,
Can I just use some
nothing.
old pants?
Riley, that's the closet.
I don't think I have a.
All right. This is the washer and dryer and towels and everything. Okay, baby. Okay. I got you. Come on. Gotta go downstairs. Wait a minute. Where's your stuff? All right. Anyway, y'all, that's the end of the tour. All right, so that's the end of the tour as far as the house goes. Nice, big, beautiful house. Very, very clean. I can't remember the name of the community, but when I find out, I'm gonna put it below here. Right now, the kids are just anxious to get outside and swim. So I'm gonna make this really short. I'm gonna come back and let you guys come with us to Walmart where we go and pick out some of the supplies that we need and food and stuff like that for the kids. So I'll be back.
The next day.
All right, so what you looking for, baby? Your socks?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so these are yours. Good morning, y'all. It is Monday, June the 7th. We are on our way to, well, not on our way, but we up getting dressed and ready for Universal Studios. It is, what time is it? Like, almost 7. I got the kids up. I'm going to get them to eat some breakfast. Y'all, I'm sorry I did not pick the camera back up yesterday. I just really wanted to spend time with my family. It was, you know, really overwhelming. So I hadn't seen them in a while. So, yeah, I just wanted to spend time with everybody. They got in the pool. And like I told y'all, we went to Walmart. We went and got a bunch of food and stuff. Milk, cereal, juice, beer, you know, snacks. We ordered like 8 to 10 boxes of pizza for dinner for everybody. It was just a really good time. So, but today is park day. So I'm just getting them ready and situated. Raleigh here. Where you go? Why you go back upstairs? You can just put that in the room. Say hey, Matt. Hey. So Maddie's ready. Got the baby up. Babe's over there dressed and ready to go. Just gotta put, yeah. Riley. But you wearing your Crocs, that would be so cute. Or you wearing your tennis shoes? You wearing your tennis shoes? Y'all, let me show y'all his Crocs. Look at these. They all manly. I don't know if y'all can see that. But, he got the Spider-Man, American whatever, Flash, Batman, basketball. Got the whole shebang bang going on. That's not yours. I told you. These are yours. Here. These are yours. So you can take these off. These 2 pairs right here. I mean that 1 pair right there. Pull it off. Alright. You want breakfast? Keep them downstairs. Because I don't want you to lose them. You want some breakfast? You can have leftover pizza. There's cereal, biscuits, plenty of juice, whatever y'all want.
I'll get pizza.
Okay, give me that right there, please, sir. So I can go ahead and get her dressed and ready. All right. Let me get baby girl ready, and I will check in with you guys when we are on the road to Universal. Y'all, this is City Walk. I guess this is where, you know, you can eat and shop, I'm assuming.
Trust me, guys, if you're at this place, you'll be screaming.
What?
If you're at this place on the road.
Shit, Karen, do that. Oh, Lord. Yeah. Really rudeness. Alright. 1. Oh, two. Almost there. And now. Yep.
Get off. This is so cool.
I know, right? Look at the. Yeah, we're gonna have to just budget and be able to purchase them. Right. Exactly. So I'm sitting down waiting. It's like a 40-minute wait, and everybody has got on the Shrek ride. So of course I can't get on because I got little mama. So I'm just sitting here waiting for them to get off. It's gonna be about 40 minutes. Yeah. So I don't know how much I'm gonna get to ride while I'm out here because I do have her, but hopefully me and Babe could just like switch off.
stretch the stroller parking thing, you could have brought her in there.
Are you serious?
4D, we sat down and got spat on and shit.
Y'all liked it?
I want to go to a movie theater like that.
Okay.
Where they spit on you and the movie's interactive.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Mommy, you should have got on.
Okay. So you liked it?
Yeah. It's so cool.
Yeah.
You actually could have went.
Well, it depends on the wait time. Some of these wait times is crazy. So they enjoyed it, obviously. Jimmy Fallon's Race to New York is only 5 minutes.
Mommy, can we go to the Autobots?
Y'all want to, huh?
Can we go to the Autobots?
It's only 5 minutes down here. So we could just come back up later. So yeah, they enjoyed it. So now we're on our way to the Jimmy Fallon Race to New York. As far as the weather, it's pretty cloudy out here. It's not really like too hot. It's a little humid, not much. But let's go ride some more rides. So I had to reserve a slot for us to ride. So 8 of us is going to go on at 12:05, and then I'll re-reserve the ride once this reservation is over. But this is the ride that everybody's going to get on. You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, so not much long of a wait, but you have to reserve apparently in order to ride this. So Babe went to go get some drinks, and yep. How you like it, Pooh? We got to get to Harry Potter
so
quick,
far,
right?
Getting really
Yep.
hot.
It's hot out here. It's not like disgustingly hot, you know, with the sun out and stuff. So, yeah. How'd y'all like it?
Awesome. It felt like you were actually on a ride.
Oh, really? Aww. All right, so Courtney wants to get on a roller coaster, y'all. Water fast where? Water fast where? Cause baby.
You can go sit in that sun if you want to.
Where's babe? Babe. Look, y'all. It looks like this is the train station to catch the Harry Potter train. But first, we're gonna go over here by the night bus. Look. You see it, Bo?
Give you a ride, you could have a drive. Yeah, we don't want to drive us. Fucking better off flying.
Thanks, Tom.
Oh my God. Oh, look. Look.
What?
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I thought this was the train. This is the Harry Potter world. Puda, look. Look over there. Look at the dragon. All right, y'all. We have entered the train. We're just gonna have to. We gotta wait an hour to get on it, though. I think the next time I come out here, I'm gonna have express passes because it's just worth it. I'm just gonna have to budget to have it because waiting 45 minutes to an hour for a ride is ridiculous. But it is what it is. At least we're in the air conditioner and it's cool. Next to you?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Oh, look! Oh my gosh! I'm so excited. Look at this.
No.
Leaving emergency red switch under that bench will release the doors. Please remain seated for the entire journey.
Okay.
Hold on to the little one. Make sure they don't wander around.
All right.
Safe travel.
Y'all excited?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Is the train moving?
Wait. No, God.
Okay.
This is actually not that long.
I know, I've been watching the movie.
Okay, y'all, so that ride was amazing. We enjoyed it. Did y'all enjoy that? Yes, we enjoyed it. The visuals for it was pretty awesome. I don't know how it's gonna look on camera when I end up editing this video, but it was bomb.
I'm guessing 4.
Watch out, y'all. Watch out. Watch
Are you
out.
4? Because I was 4 when I was your age.
Tell them you're 4.
Is that your family there? They don't know how old you are either. They're all just, and they're lined up like your backup singers. Are you guys gonna perform or what? So, would you like to do some magic, young man?
Say yes.
Or would you just like to see me squirt the lady wearing a Disney shirt in your family? Yes, I'll do it. Look at him, he's like dancing. Oh, wow, okay, well let's do some magic. What's his name?
Adriel.
Adriel?
Adriel.
All right, so we're gonna do some magic, little buddy. Can you stand back like 3 steps? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good. So I'll take it. Yeah, your big brother's gonna help you. Oh,
That's his cousin.
Okay, well, he'll move when the water happens. Put your hands in the air. Your 2 brothers, what are their names? Ben and Jerry?
Ben and Jerry.
Okay, his cousins. Cousins are awesome. And that's his brother.
Say DJ,
He's
DJ.
fingers. He's hungry. Somebody get him a churro. Starving the poor dude. All right, ready? Everybody, hands in the air. Say abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
I'm a fountain. I like water.
Adriel. Adriel. Go get him, Dick. That was so awesome. High five. Woo. Say bye. You gotta tell him bye.
Thank you, young man. And your brothers. Can I have a high five, guys? Can I
give him a high five?
High fives all around. Thank you very much.
That was cool.
All right, have fun. Enjoy the day. It's gorgeous. I love it.
All right, so. Who? Come on. I wonder if she probably not able to ride, is she? Okay. You wanna go?
The other riders have to be 36 inches tall to ride, okay?
Bye, boo. Guys, so it looks like my camera's about to die. We're just making our way around. We're in Islands of Adventure. We're gonna make our way around to the Incredible Hulk, to the bigger roller coasters, because I know they're tired of riding this baby stuff. But right, Riley?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You enjoying yourself? Maybe a little bit. What you making that face for?
They chickened out.
They chickened out journey. Tell them how you felt about the ride.
I didn't even, no.
Tell me what you thought. Y'all, they just got off the hook. Okay,
I made an accident on myself.
He's talking about he accident himself. How you felt, Yanni?
I cried and I yelled.
Oh my God, babe.
Oh, it was freaking awesome.
Riley.
No.
Riley cried because he got off. He was sad.
Let me tell you the type of faces that we were making.
Come on, let's go. Baby, you had to pick the name.
You made a straight face all throughout the
I
ride.
was like this.
Like it was easy, like it was a kid.
It was. I've already been on this one.
Heck no.
Shooting out the tunnel was dope though. I like the rest.
Yeah, Courtney said she wanted to feel the mist part. Anyway, y'all, we about to head to the... Huh? Yeah, we getting ready to go around that Maddie gonna ride that too.
Right?
You gonna ride though, actually ride.
Yeah, I did.
Watch out, y'all, I'm trying to go.
I want to go back home. Yeah, I want to go back.
Yeah, Riley.
Yes, honey. You'll never catch me slipping on that stuff.
That's what I'm talking about. He's already.
Nobody's bragging, Riley.
Maddie ain't out the bathroom yet, man.
Oh, shit.
God, man.
She is the most usingest bathroom person I've ever seen in my life. Let me wait on my daughter, y'all. Hell, they got air conditioning. Oh, this stuff is so cool. I should have known he was coming in here for the shirts. Look. Oh. How much is it? I don't know if this is girls or not. Nah, this can't be girls. That's girls, right? No, you're right, because of the way the sleeves is made. Made the mistake of coming in this doggone store. Now I gotta pay $100 for a Black Panther knit or whatever you want to call it. Excuse me. What's that? Cards? Oh, look at this. What is this? I want a phone case. There are no phone cases in here. I'm gonna go to another part of the
I found some jewelry over there.
Oh, you did?
I can't choose which one.
Oh,
So many
okay.
cute ones.
Yeah.
Like bracelets.
Alright, so I guess I'm gonna pay for this. If my son ain't gonna get nothing else, I'm about to get up out of here. You didn't want nothing? I didn't think you did. Yeah, hold on.